Hey guys, today we are going to make a lion latte art. So that sounds like a lion latte art. It seems difficult, but actually it is easy. As long as you make just nice, cute heart. So let me pour milk. So first, you just make not a heart, but you just make it as something upper, and use a spoon on the bottom. So it's make something face like lion face, and use my best friend etching pen. So use the sharp eye and bold nose. And nose as well. And very sharp eyes. Like I'm the king of safari. And mouth like this, big. And then what we do is pick up steam milk and draw the mane. Like majesty, beauty of the lion. And then what I forgot is that here, that there, make lion's ear. Oops, right? And just beautiful, nice lion's mane. I like to call this one my lion. No, sometimes I like to name my latte art, but give me some suggestion. Okay, focus. Here you go. Rawr. Rawr. Hopefully you guys can try, and let me know how it goes. And always appreciate, subscribe, and like. Bye.